As we look at the second half of section 12.3b, we're going to be simplifying rational expressions, but today we're going to focus on the idea of opposites and how opposites cancel. So to preface this, we look at negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1. Any opposites cancel to negative 1. In a second way, we have the negative 1 times a binomial, and that when it's distributed to both parts is negative x plus 3. As a result, the negative x plus 3 can be rewritten as 3 minus x. So, in conclusion, if you have x minus 5 over 5 minus x, because those are opposites, they will cancel to negative 1. So let's look at our problems. Our first one is 5x minus 15. That's easy. We take a 5 out of the top, leaving x minus 3. The bottom is the difference of two squares. 9 minus x squared is 3 plus x, and 3 minus x. Now we have an example of what our opposites are. They cancel to negative 1. So let's put a negative 1 on the top and circle it. That leaves us with an answer of negative 5 over 3 plus x. So opposites cancel to negative 1. Our second one, the denominator, is 25 minus x squared. So that's going to factor to 5 minus x and 5 plus x. Our top is x minus 5. Once again, we have opposites that cancel to negative 1. Now, if you notice, I'm going to write this answer as negative 1 over x plus 5. Our first one, we had negative 5 over 3 plus x. It doesn't matter whether you write x plus 5 or 3 plus x. Generally, x plus 5 will, though, be preferred. Our third one, we have x minus 6 over 12 minus 2x. We're going to look at the denominator, and we're going to take a 2 out, leaving 6 minus x on the denominator. Our numerator stays the same. Our two factors cancel to negative 1, leaving us an answer of negative 1 half. Our last and fourth one, we have x squared minus 8x plus 15. We're going to use the MAC method and say what multiplies to 15 that adds to negative 8. Well, that's negative 3 and negative 5. So, I'm going to replace my numerator with x minus 3 and x minus 5. Our denominator stays the same as 5 minus x. Once again, I hope you see that we have the factors of negative 3, x minus 5 and 5 minus x canceling to negative 1. So my answer is going to be negative 1 times x minus 3. But I want to distribute that and then write it a little bit more elegantly as 3 minus x. Either of these bottom two answers would be correct, but the 3 minus x answer is a little bit more elegant.